Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you friends? Welcome to Little Wings Arabic channel. Hope everyone is fine. Thank you once again for supporting us. I know there has been lot of positive feedback from everyone. Thank you once again. So today friends, we are going to have special classes, special video for especially today I will be focusing because based on the request from some of the students. Okay, some notes which I have downloaded for grade 10 CBSE Arabic. So friends, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is my screen for CBSE grade 10 papers I have opened. Hope you can see it clearly. So today I am going to answer the questions from section A. Okay, so here it is clearly written after the instruction. Section A is reading skills. So in the reading skills, it's about they have given the paragraph and they will ask some questions based on that. Only you have to write in Arabic. Okay, this paragraph is about Hamid and Ali. Hamid and Ali are two best friends. See, I have circled here. So they are studying in same class, but they leave. Okay, they stay in different colonies in their city. Okay, and they are very hardworking students and they don't waste their time. Okay, and they are very good behaving in the streets. They don't play in the streets. One day one of the friend is absent, so his friend tells okay, why I should not go and find out about my friend, why he is not coming to school from 3 days. So he planned to go in the weekend. So this is all about the paragraph. So friends, let's go to the question section now. So in the question section A is extract any one dual noun from the above mentioned text. Any one dual noun. You know what is the dual noun? Dual noun, the answer for that is, I will highlight and tell you. Dual noun is the noun which is having alif and noon. Alif and noon which has the letter. So here it is Talibani, which I am circling here. Taliban you can say. Okay, Mujiddan. So which is having alif and noon, that is called dual noun. In Arabic it is called musanna. So answer A is this one which I have circled, Talibani. Okay, Mujiddani. Okay, let's go to question B now. So in this what they are telling is, write singular of shaware. Singular of shaware. Shaware means streets. So you have to write the singular of shaware. What is the singular? I will write and show you now. So singular is share. Sheen, alif, ra and ain. Share is the singular for shaware. So answer for B is this one, share. Okay, I will show you answer number C now. Okay, so friends, they are asking question number C is, what does Ali and Hamid do? What work they do? Okay, so how to find the answer for that? You have to go to the paragraph. So here is the answer, where here first line of the paragraph, Hamid and Ali, they both are best friends, they study in one class. So this can be the answer. What they do, they study. So studying is one work, right? So they study in one class. So this is the answer for the question. Okay, let's go to next question now. Question number D. So they are asking, are they both living, Hamid and Ali live in same colonies of the city? So where is the answer for that? So you have to try to find out the similar word which is there in the question. So here it is the answer. Yaskunani fi hayyaini mukhtalifaini. They both live in different colonies. So this is the answer for the question. Okay, hope you understood clearly. Now let's go to another question. Question number E. Hal huma yal'abani fi tariq? Do they both play while going in the street? Are they wasting their time in the street? So for answer for that is very easy. I will write it here only. So you have to just cut this hal huma and question mark, and just you have to add la letter, la, then rest of this sentence should come here. Okay, that's your answer is here. Okay, to make you clear, I'll show you again. So let me choose the eraser from here. Okay, I will erase and show. So hope you understood clearly. Okay, hal huma yal'abani fi tariq? Do they both play on the street? So only you have to write in the answer is, you have to cut this question mark, this question mark, this question mark, and just you have to add la in front of that, la. Okay, this letter la means no, so this you have to add. Your answer is done for E. Last question from section A is F, which is the question number F is, are they both studying in same class? So do they both study in same class? Again same answer here. You have to cut hal and huma, then question mark. Okay, you have to add naam. Yes, naam means yes, they both study in same class. So friends, hope you understood everything from the section A, reading skills from the CBSE grade 10 Arabic. I will be back with more videos for section B and all. Okay, please follow and share our channel Little Wings Arabic. Thank you.